tournaments this summer.
That's alongside Declan Rice, and as you would expect, Jude Bellingham in that number 10 position under Watkins.
It is a wonderful opportunity to see what these two. Both teams have injury concerns. Brazil Foden will drive this in and just missing wide as Bento on his international debut was flying at it.
Bento is the goalkeeper at club level for Dorival Jr. Now
once again carries forward, and Lucas Paquetá once again comes through the back of him with a foul.
The goalkeeper Bento.
Chilwell will clip this in. Maguire was in the area. It's popped in the air and backs. Rodrigo, good work getting away from Gallagher, and that shot is a first save of the game from Jordan Pickford. Among the available substitutes for Brazil, who has Pickford backing up, Vinicius! No, Kyle Walker there to save the day.
Wow, and then Kyle Walker dumps it in the back of Maguire. And this was going to be the concern. Actually,
blocked it back. Gordon from Watkins, and he goes down. Here's another England free kick. One back. Vinicius Jr. has it again. Got that away. Put it wide, but in fact, it was Rodrigo there who got in. Gallagher trying to open up to the far side. That's Watkins, and it's over.
I think Bruno just gets a touch on this as Wada challenge. He's going to get the first yellow.
Back there, Vinicius Jr. cutting it on Walker, goes down.
Now it's England's turn to try to have a good spell of possession and release.
Rice is there, able to bring it down off the chest, and that was Chilwell hooks it to the back post. Maguire was there. It took a touch off a Brazil defender, it looked like.
Nice looking ball. Good shape on it. Good height for Maguire to attack it. He starts again at the far end, making it difficult for Brazilian players.
Defending him. And the post knocked down backwards there by Bellingham. Chilwell bouncing ball. Maguire was close to it.
Well, the last one,
Junior running now. Vinicius got there, lost his footing, it looked like, just as he was
expecting with his initial run.
And Foden, Gordon. Trying to find space for a curling shot. It took a touch off the defender there, Fabrizio Bruno. Who wants it back, has it back. Waddingham goes. Maguire mishit, and Rafinha pulls it wide. Third great look. Nice hooks it in. It's knocked down right on the doorstep. Foden was in the area. Foden wants the deep cross. It's mishit. As Gordon cuts inside. Gordon looking to curl a shot. Stones for Bellingham. And he gets wrestled to the ground yet again. Flip forward to Danilo.
Drew into the game really well. Had the best chances, but yet still 0-0.
We'll hear from One of
these teams.
Who out?
Stalwart in the nets is also out injured.
Gallagher hooking that cross in. Watkins trying to get on the end of it there from Bellingham.
Bellingham attacks the ball so well. You'll see when this ball comes across how he jumps early and he gets his hand up on the
coming off a really terrific season with Liverpool and similarly taking advantage of it, but it bounces backwards. Bellingham picks it up. He was trying to catch Bento out off his line. Looking back to break it up. Bruno Guimaraes back to the far side, and that one just missing there.
I think that caught a lot of people off guard because he took it first time. And it was Vinicius trying to pick him out at the back.
Cover enough there. And Rice goes down. Wants it in the middle. It's going to be instead for Gallagher. And he takes a hard bump there by Lucas Beraldo. More to go. And then Vinicius slips. Not for the first time tonight either. By Rafinha there. Rashford keeps it, spins it back, hooks it in the middle.
अबे क्या किया मेरी गाड़ी को?
To it. Danilo away from another. Bowen running forward, finally tackled out.
Bowen's
Pickford, the rebound's in from Endrick. And the 17-year-old celebrating his first ever goal for Brazil to give them the lead at Wembley.
Look, they're going to be without Neymar. And
momentum. Rice clipping it up. Rashford waiting for it, and Danilo got just a piece of it there. It looked like at the last moment to put Rashford off. Pereira Across for Endrick. Saved by Pickford.